there are phasing sets that occur between the light body and the atomic body structures, and that's where some of the other numbers come from. So we are activating literally the frequencies of the probability dominions in our biosystems, in the shield, and in the planetary grids, in the part of the grids on Siesta Key that we have, that the Aquafereion shield is running through. See, the Aquafereion shield, we've always identified it as literally a group of people on the planet that carry certain codes, the codes of the Aquarii races. It's more than just that, and it's not just people as we know people ourselves, hominids, humans. It's also other life forms. They're just starting to let us know a little bit about, oh yeah, you know, the Aquafereion shield we always talk about, it's not just you guys. There are some of the plants, the animals, the birds, the crystals that are also from home. So they're going to progressively start, you know, helping us to understand what parts of the other kingdoms on the planet are actually a part of the Aquafereion shield too. So they are the co-guardians with us. And eventually they're going to teach us more about knowing, you know, not who our friends are, but because everybody's our friend. When you come from the Christ, you love everybody anyway, but that doesn't mean they're going to love you. It depends on what their orientation is. But who you would have much more of a frequency association with, an easy love feeling, love as far as a sense of vibrational harmonization. And there are plant species. This will also, of course, get into things as we progress toward 2012 about, okay, would my biology be more compatible? Let's say, like my digestive tract be more compatible with certain, like, you know, foods that were from sources that are from, you know, my home system or for a Christic system. If you happen to have an Illuminati, very heavy Illuminati gene code that you got from your parents, you may have trouble with Christic foods, right? But Illuminati ones may settle. If you're balanced, you can probably do a bit of both and have little allergies here and, you know, none there. So it gets into some very interesting, very personal issues as we learn more about this. So they're not going to do a lot, you know, in this particular workshop, except to let us know that when we talk about the Aquafereion shield, they're talking about it in its larger context right now. Not just the bunch of us walking around that are waking up and realizing we are connected to the Aquarii line codes, who are the ones that are the keepers of the ascension hosts, that there is literally a world around us that has a lot of hiding members of family too, of the Christic family. So they will, yeah, we will progressively learn more about those levels of consciousness that are on the planet. But I'm going to get back to these diagrams so we can never get to the end of them.